Are you looking for the best ways to stay ahead in the Salesforce ecosystem? Connect with industry experts and get hands-on experience with the latest innovations. If your answer is yes, then I have the perfect solution for you. Dreamforce 2024. Dreamforce is the event of the year for anyone in the Salesforce community. Whether you are a developer, admin, architect, consultant, or just a fan of Salesforce, this is where you need to be. If you don't know what it is, let me explain. Dreamforce is the largest annual event hosted by Salesforce, bringing together thousands of trailblazers worldwide to share knowledge, get inspired, and witness in the latest Salesforce innovation in action. It's a 3-day event. Day 4 starts with keynote speeches from industry leaders and sessions of the latest Salesforce technology. Day 2 is filled with the hands-on workshops, networking events, and inspiring sessions, while Day 3 concludes with more deep dives into industry trends and opportunities to connect with peers and experts. I know what you must be thinking. It's just an event, so why should I care about it? Well, let me tell you, it's not just another tech conference. Dreamforce is where you will get the first look at new features and products that can transform how you can work with Salesforce. Plus, you will have the chance to attend hands-on workshops, industry sessions, and of course, the legendary Dreamforce party. Last year, we saw some incredible announcements like the launch of Einstein AI and the exciting integration of Google Workspace with Salesforce. We even had tech legends like Sam Altman sharing their insights. And this year, you can expect even more groundbreaking news. So who can attend the Dreamforce? The answer is everyone. Whether you are a seasoned Salesforce pro or just starting out, Dreamforce welcomes all. It's a unique opportunity to connect with top experts, trailblazers, and Salesforce enthusiasts from around the globe. Dreamforce 2024 is happening from September 17th to 19th in the beautiful city of San Francisco, California. Now let's talk about how you can be part of it. Registrations are open now, so don't wait. Head over to the Dreamforce registration page and choose your pass. If you can act fast, you can snag an early bird pass for just $1499. That's a 20% discount. Standard passes are available at $1,999, and if you wait till the last minute, it's $2,999. For all you first timers, here are some quick tips to make the most out of your Dreamforce 2024 experience. Plan your agenda ahead of time to catch all the key sessions. San Francisco weather can be unpredictable, so dress comfortably. Don't forget to explore the Expo Hall. It's packed with innovative solutions and networking opportunities. And download the Dreamforce app to stay updated on all latest sessions and events. And hey, even if you can't make it in person, no worries. Dreamforce 2024 will be streaming live on the Salesforce Plus, so you can catch all the action from the comfort of your home. So what are you waiting for? Secure your spot at Dreamforce 2024 now and get ready for an unforgettable experience. This is the event for anyone in the Salesforce world. Trust me, you won't want it to miss it. See you at the Dreamforce 2024 Trailblazers. Share this video with your friends who are in the Salesforce ecosystem or learning Salesforce. Don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more exclusive Salesforce insights and updates. See you in the next one.